Humans are one of the most adaptable creatures on Earth. Now, medium voltage energy also needs to adapt to the SF6 free transition. The EU banned the usage of SF6 gas in new medium voltage electrical equipment up to 24 kilovolts by January 1, 2026. SF6, if not managed properly, has a global warming potential 24,300 times higher than CO2. Luckily, ABB's next generation of SF6-free medium voltage switchgear for secondary distribution is here, using dry air with zero global warming potential. SafePlus Air up to 24 kilovolts and UniSec Air up to 24 kilovolts, both fully compliant with IEC standards and the EU F-gas regulation, with the same interface, footprint, and operations as the original SF6 portfolio, suitable for most 6 kilovolt to 24 kilovolt switching applications. Adaptable. Designed to connect and protect an evolving grid.